Video I want to run through Instagram. It's not as obviously it doesn't look like this on your phone, which is where most people will interact. But getting it set up is fairly similar. Profile picture with the person and a logo. So it's important that this is my personal profile. If I show you the business profile as well, you'll see there that there's me with the business logo and there's a picture there. So it's really important that you express your personality through your posts. You can see here we've got a mixture of posts and property, plus some adverts, plus some motivation, so we're doing that all the time. And, it's the same on my personal profile. I don't see any of these as social media. It's all business media. So, quotes, property, bit of family, showing personality, showing what we're up to. So, it's all relevant to your journey. And then what you do is you create these little buckets which you create your stories in, so that anyone can come and, jump on and see your buckets of stuff. And, then they might be interested in. So these are your stories. So your, accommodation stories. If I click on this, it shows a, video of one of our accommodation. If I click on, family life, it'll show videos of family. I have quick sale news, landlords, refurbishments. So whatever interests them, they're in there. But you'll see here the profile is very much set up the same. It's got flow pages in there. It's got, all the content, the bio. It's got the story segments set up. So you have 5 different buckets. And then what you want to be doing when you're out and about on a daily basis, just remember what your buckets are. So you want to be collecting content all the time, whether that's pictures or videos. Just always be collecting content. So if you're out and about on a refurb, doesn't necessarily mean you've got to shoot it then, take a picture then, or do a video then and post it then and there. Just save up all the content, split it into mini videos, take lots of different pictures, and you can do before and afters. You can do all that sort of stuff. This is all just about building a presence and a brand about what you're doing, how you're doing it, and, getting a traction on your business. None of this is probably going to give you instant deals or instant cash flow. But what it will do is it will build your brand so that when people want to deal with you, their trust is instantly there, and then they'll make that decision on the spot. Or as time builds, you will then start to get leads popping into your messengers out of the blue. Or I've seen this, or I noticed you do that, or I'm seeing property, I need some help doing X, Y, and Z. So make sure you set your Instagram to a business profile. And to start off with, you can see here we did the old following sort of situation where you follow a load of accounts that really you want to follow you back because you think they'll be relevant to your content. So you can just search for, landlords or investors or, entrepreneurs, whatever your target is, whatever your avatar is, those are going to be the type of people that will want. Follow them, see if they follow you back, and then obviously you gain your followers. And that's why this is quite high. On my other page, you'll see that it's not that strategy we used. Obviously, it was a different strategy. I actually only follow 46 people, but I've got over 2,000 followers. So that's been a natural attraction from a different sort of marketing strategy. But for the business side of things, there's no harm in doing the follow back strategy, as long as you're getting the right people to follow you back, and then obviously they want to be the ones going onto your profile. So tick it all off, start the follow, collect your content as you're going through for your 5 buckets. Instagram is your reality TV show. This is kind of where you show off a bit and you post not braggy things, but you're just showing off, that's your reality TV show. So think of it that way. Facebook page is your extension of your show home, your website, and your Facebook profile is your personality, and obviously your website is your show home. So think of them in that way and set them up in that way and produce the content in that manner as well. So once you've done that, drop your Instagram and your Facebook pages, drop them all into the group and ask people to follow you. And again, you're just creating that attention. So mark as complete once you've dropped them into the groups, once you've set them all up, and hopefully you'll start to get some followers from taking that action.